This tender, tangy, slow cooker chicken is one of my all-time favorites. This is my buffalo chicken recipe, and it's a great alternative to wings on a game day or for a busy weeknight at home. You can serve it on a kaiser bun or a pretzel bun or make them into sliders, or you can put it on top of rice and serve it as an everyday meal. So follow along and I'll show you step by step how to make this really easy buffalo chicken recipe.
Okay, so for my ingredients, I have just some boneless, skinless chicken breasts here, and I have 3 of them. And then I have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and this is full fat, but you could use the lower fat version too. I have 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and then this is Frank's Red Hot sauce in about 1/4 cup. And then this is just ranch dressing mix, and then a little bit of salt. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just add the chicken breast into the bottom of the crock pot, slow cooker, and then add your chicken stock, your cream cheese, and then your little bit of salt, your ranch seasoning mix, and then your Frank's buffalo sauce. Now you're going to cover this and cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 4 hours.
Okay, here's my crock pot buffalo chicken, and it's been cooking for about 4 hours. And as you can see, I still have the cream cheese on top there and then the buffalo sauce. And now the true test is if it can be shredded. Yep, that looks great. And I'm just going to shred this here. And as I shred it, it will also, we're going to cream up this cream cheese and it'll be all nice and juicy. So spend a couple minutes here and just shred this up so it's nice chunks and easy to eat. There we go. Also, it will just give the chicken a chance to soak up all of those juices. And this is one of those easy dinners you can make like on a Sunday, and then you can use it for quesadillas, you could use it for sandwiches, you could even add it to like a homemade pizza. It'd be delicious. It has like just a little bit of tang, and then it's a little bit creamy from that cream cheese. And then I also like to add just some shredded cheese. I'll show you here just a little bit to make it like a little bit creamy and cheesy at the end. You can see it's just absorbing all of that liquid. There we go, just stir it around and find those chunks that need to be shredded. Okay, so this has had a few minutes to just soak up all those juices. So we have that ranch powder in there, and then the cream cheese and the Frank's sauce. There we go, it's ready to make into our little sandwiches. Okay, so here is our buffalo chicken, and it is like so juicy and has so much flavor. And of course you can add a little bit more of the Frank's sauce if you want, but this is one of our favorite ways to enjoy it. We like to make like just a sandwich out of it, and you could use like a pretzel bun, or today I have these like really pretty brioche buns. That's great, or even a slider would work. But I'm going to just add a little bit of my chicken, my shredded chicken, onto my sandwich. Whoop. Keep that on there, and as much as you like is great. And when you're planning to serve a crowd, kind of a rule of thumb that I use is if it is the main ingredient for chicken, you would plan about 1/3 pound per person, but maybe for kids, or like if you're just doing little slider buns, about 1/4 pound of uncooked chicken per person, and that should like help you estimate how much you're going to use. I have my shredded chicken on there, and we like a lot of buffalo flavor at our house, so I'm just going to add a little bit of extra, and here we go. And then the perfect combination of buffalo is also with cheese. So I'm just going to add a little bit of cheese, and that chicken is still hot, so it will take a minute and then it will melt just a little bit. And I also like to add just a little bit of green leaf lettuce to give it that little bit of crunch. And there we go. Here is our buffalo chicken sandwich. Check it out. All right, here is my slow cooker buffalo chicken, and now it's time for a little bit of a taste test. I mean, I just love like so much flavor in the chicken, and then like that little bit of ranch seasoning is the perfect addition to this. Look at that. Yummy. Okay. So good. I just love that like little bit of melted cheese on there too. It is the perfect addition. And then also with the crisp lettuce. So it's such an easy recipe. Like this is on repeat at our house. And I also have a buffalo chicken pasta. My family also loves, because anything buffalo chicken we just love. All right, thank you so much for watching this episode of The Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. And of course, the recipe is in the description below, so you can print it off and follow along. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.